interesting. I like that out back. Oh, that was a 33 foot. 33 was the out back. Okay. Yeah. If you're going to the full time, well, it's one thing. I think I do too, but then I get all sorts of friends that don't want it.
Yeah, the little island kitchen.
Yeah. Nice way to eat.
Yeah, it pops like that.
Show special. You get a lot of squirrels in this thing too. Oops. This is a nice one. Yeah, they're in Florida.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay. Hey, don't pass me by.
And there's Martin. This is the way to go. A pontoon party boat on the lake.
This is the time. This is what you need on the plate. Look at this. This is awesome. Yeah, this is pretty cool. If you want to put one out there, you can hold all sorts of people in this. It's got a big old party.
Yeah, look at that. Captain's chairs.
You want this boat here and this boat here, and you'd be set for the water.
Well, see, they have these two where back there you can hook up your 6 foot channel.
I think so.
A little close to the TV, unfortunately.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little too close.
Right.
Yeah.
I do like this though, like this.
Yeah, that is nice.
You better do it.
Ready?
About it.
See, I like this better.
You see that one? That's where we were.
This is without the toy helmet.
And this is the space.
See, this feels better. To me.